How to fix Messenger voice record not working. So if you're facing a problem with Messenger voice record, then if you simply open up your Messenger, and if you're on a call and if you want to record that call, like for example, if you're having a video call on Messenger, and if you're recording that call, then only the video section will be available and your audio will not be available while you record. So that's the problem with Messenger. We don't have any fix to that, but in some Android phones you will have that option, but in some mobile or in some phones we don't have that option. So you can simply download an application from Play Store which has that capacity to record the audio from your Messenger call, and you can simply use that app to record the audio. But we don't have a particular option to fix that. While recording the call, by recording the video call, you won't have the audio on Messenger. So that's it. That's the main problem, but we don't have any fix to that. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.